Here are the top 3 most expensive houses for sale in Vermont right now, fall 2024 edition. Number 3, 3147 Mount Hunger Road in Barnard, Vermont. This house is listed for $14,250,000. Has 7 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms. It's 9,600 square feet finished, 307 acres. Taxes on this bad boy are $97,586. But look what you get. Beautiful views and this gorgeous Vermont-style cape connected right-angle house. I love these right-angle houses because look what you can do on the inside. You can be completely private in your yard. Beautiful pool. Watch the kids from the windows. Just a gorgeous setting right here. And look at the views from here. Imagine having breakfast out here, having your coffee every morning, checking out that view. Let's see number 2 most expensive house in Vermont right now. Up in Stowe, of course, we have to be in Stowe if we're going to have the most expensive houses in Vermont. This is a brand new build, contemporary design up at Spruce Peak. So gorgeous up here. 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 6,000 square feet finished. This house is listed for $15,995. Taxes are $78,575 a year. However, this house offers just amazing views of Stowe that you cannot get anywhere else in the Stowe region. You have to be here on the mountain, and there's only one spot to get these houses, and that's at Spruce Peak. Look at those views of the trails from the house. Just a beautiful design, kind of that front 4 sort of look. Perfect. Let's get to number 1 most expensive house in Vermont for sale. And that would be 1044 Grosse Pointe Road in Ferrisburg. This house is a sweet Normandy French design. $22,900,000, 11 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, 9,500 square feet finished, 343 beautiful acres. This house, the taxes, $121,488, but look what you get. Lake Champlain frontage is pretty amazing. You've got just gorgeous places to swim. You've got a cabana out there right on the mountain, Adirondack views. Imagine how long it took to build this gorgeous stone house. I totally love it. And what house would not be complete for $22 million without a Mercedes classic convertible in your driveway? So those are the top 3 homes for sale in Vermont. Most expensive right now, 2024 fall edition. Subscribe for more Vermont info.